Think snoring means deep sleep? Lab alert. Every hour of snoring starves your brain like holding breath underwater for 3 minutes. This isn't a lullaby, it's your heart sounding the alarm. Snoring equals an airway traffic jam where soft tissue collapse turns airflow into death metal vibrations. At 60 decibels, your blood oxygen drops faster than a stock market crash. Red flag. Sleep apnea raises sudden death risk by 3.8x. Life hack. Side sleeping and tongue exercises create a VIP lane for breathing. Pillow warfare with a tennis ball sewn to pajamas forces side sleeping, 30% wider airway than yoga. Mouth gym exercises like blowing balloons and tongue stretches firm throat muscles. Stop snoring now. Save your hearts tomorrow.